Come test drive the 2008 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.